How's it going, everyone? Krasno here. Well, we're having a fantastic day. Starting this vlog. Yes. I'm gonna get up. Now. Yes. Alright, blueberry muffins, a major bless up. Major bless up. Alright, I'm on Blackboard, and this is the first thing I see today. Yeah, boy! Alright, how's it going, everybody? Krasno here. All of you in a fantastic day now that I'm awake. This week, this vlog, I don't think I've got anything too special going on, so... boy!
Look, it's your smash skills.
Ew, there's all that garbage on the bottom of it. Yeah.
Alright, regular schedule for this week, nothing out of the norm. I don't have any midterms or tests, but I will be studying for some I have next week. Anyways, so got done with class today. I think I'll be heading to the library later, and I'm kind of hungry. So, freaking frick! You ruining the Sonic fan base. All right, I realized that after class, I decided that I'm gonna go bowling today. So heading to Aztec Lanes right now. Bowling alley here on campus. We're gonna meet up with some people. It's gonna be a grand old time. Alright, I'm here, made it to the bowling alley. We actually decided that we're gonna play some ping pong.
Think about all the things that you know now. Still say there's something different than before. Understand that I'm not perfect at all. Reaching out, think I have it all under control. Girl, I hope that you know how much you don't need me. I pray to God you don't leave me. My whole past said you gon' leave me, but I deserve ya, I deserve ya.
Ooh, Zam dude. Frank, that fresh fade. Alright, got done with lab. Got the sniffles. Who knows, might be allergies. Hopefully I'm not getting sick, but yeah. Going back to the apartment to destroy this breakfast that I'm about to make. Gonna make some hash browns, eggs, and bacon. You already guessed that probably. I don't know why I'm so stuffy. Blue! Blue! Like this video if you think I should go on a panty raid. Like with girls. In their undergarments. Lay nut. Nutted. Alright, so I'm working on EE right now while Ryan is dancing behind me in the frame. And this is so hard. This homework is taking freaking 5 ever. But I'm gonna get through it all. And Ryan here is gonna help me do that. Aren't you, Ryan? Okay.
Hey, boy.
We are clear for launch in 10, 9, 8, 7,
Where are classes
6,
Initial
5,
thrusters,
4, 3, 2, 1. We have lift off.
What are you talking about? On Thursday?
We have made it.
on the moon. Successfully landed. Over.
Alright, got done with class. Anyways, so heading back right now. Probably gonna smash for a little bit with this guy. And then after that, I have one more class to top off the day. And that should be it. We'll probably be going to the library later, but that's nothing out of the huge. Gonna be there, gonna be grinding. Got a buttload of homework that I don't want to do, but someone's gotta do it.
Bro, posture, bro.
Chest out. It's attracting mates. It's good for it.
+5 confidence.
Alright, heading down 2 floors right now. I'm in the library, big surprise, but heading down 2 floors right now, meeting up with Matt. Just got done studying some AE differential equations. Gonna find Matt now, so.
Boy!
Boy, let's go.
Do not want to get trademarked, so I'm going to cut this clip right now. Alright, taking a little study break right now. As you saw, I'm watching my freaking weekly episode of The Flash. This is definitely much more important right now than studying. Alright, how are all of you, everybody watching this video? Thank you all so much for watching these videos. Really do appreciate it when you guys enjoy the content, give me a thumbs up, when you guys comment, really appreciate that. But today, right now, I'm going to the dining services here on campus, get some breakfast, film a little bit too, and eat more breakfast. So that's the mission for today.
What up? What's up, dude?
Alright, here, made it. Ooh.
Alright, major bless up alert right here. These are fire. Oh my gosh, so much.
We should go to my place. We sing and dance to Rihanna. Sex with me solves the problem. So jump in the car with me. We gon' sing Drake all the way to Ivy. But I just gotta know.
Alright, heading to the last class today. It is a beautiful day to be out. It's a little windy, but that's okay. I like it a little cold. Real nippy. So, heading to my last class today. EE204. It's gonna be fun. I might die. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so here's your weekly dosage of Nicole.
Okay, hi vlog. Well, I don't have too much inspiration this week. Don't fail out of school. Only do some drugs, just the good kinds.
No one said.
I don't know what else.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I think we've all been inspired tonight.
Thank you.
So
YG equals 2 cosine x plus 1 spicy. You won this one.
killed yourself again. It's a SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
I was gonna go stay next to the truck with the guys in there.
Alright, just finished the last class of the week. It is finally the weekend officially now. But Matt and I, as well as Ryan here, we're going to 3D printing lab here on campus because Matt made something cool. We're going to see if it printed out well, so.
I should snatch this, dude. What? It's me.
Lol. That's so tight.
Little boat.
Ooh, same. That's super tight.
Oh, fish tank of the future. don't want to touch it.
Never before seen, Ryan. Next gen fish.
Should I touch it?
Touch it, dude. See if you can grab it. That is gonna be it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a blue lightsaber down below. As always, have a wonderful rest of the week.
What the?
Be the reason why someone smiles. And as always, stay spicy.